यूट्यूब चैनल बिगलैंड में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम उत्तर प्रदेश युवा पॉलिटेक्निक प्रवेशिका परीक्षा 2021 सामान्य अध्ययन प्रक्रिया 45 प्रश्न का नया अध्ययन। भारत में मजदूर किसान आंदोलनों को संगठित करने का श्रेय किसने दिया था? बाल गंगाधर तिलक, नारायण मेघजी, लोखंडे, एम.एन. जोशी, स्वामी सहजानंद सरस्वती। बी. नारायण लोखंडे। With respect to Nobel Peace Prize announced in October 2021, which of the following statement is correct? Maria Ressa and Dmitry Muratov have jointly won this prize. Both the winners of this year's award was journalists. Select the correct answer. Only one, only two, only one, neither one, neither two. C. One, both. 100% two. Match the following. इसमें ये वाला वो the advisor of Constituent Assembly of India, Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Sri S.H. B.N. Rao, Dr. K.M. Munshi, S.H. B.N. Rao. Which of the following country was elected to the United Nations Human Rights Council for 2020-2024 period in its election held in October 2021? A. Honduras, B. France, C. Canada, D. Japan. A. Honduras. The Citizenship Amendment Bill 2020 was passed by the Parliament on which date? 11 December, 10 December, 9 December, 8 December, 11 December. Which one of the following pair is not correctly matched? C. किशनपुर वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी, जनपद बलरामपुर. Which one of the following is not a अंडमान एंड निकोबार ग्रुप ऑफ आइसलैंड? रूटलैंड, बी. नारकोंडम आइसलैंड, बी. बोका आइसलैंड, डी. एमिनडीवी आइसलैंड. एमिनडीवी आइसलैंड. How many members are there in the Communion of Privilege? 12, 15, 20, 22, 15. With reference to inauguration of third international airport at Kushinagar in October 2021, which of the following statement is correct? Only first. The first inaugural flight to land was of Sri Lankan Airlines. Consider the following events and arrange them in chronological arrangement. Construction of Dai-Din का झोपड़ा. Construction of Quwwat ul Islam Mosque. Construction of Siri Fort. Construction of Sultangarhi. B. Third, first, fourth. The tropic of Cancer passes through which of the following states? Tripura, Mizoram, Manipur, West Bengal. C. 1 and 1, 2 and 4. In which year the National Development Council formed? 1947, 1952, 1965, 1966, 1952. Which one of the following city was selected as 100th smart city in India? Srinagar, Shimoga, Shillong, Satna. Shillong. Which of the following articles empower the President to grant pardon? Article 72, Article 74, Article 78, Article 80. Article 72. Who among the following became the first Indian woman wrestler to win silver medal in World Cup Wrestling Championship in October 2021? Vinesh Fogart, B. Geeta Pongar, C. Anshu Malik, D. Jyoti Tripathi. Anshu Malik. Which part of the Indian Constitution contains the Union States Relations? A. Part 5th, B. Part 7, B. C. Part 8, D. Part 11. The Chandraprabha Wildlife Sanctuary, major wildlife sanctuary of Uttar Pradesh, situated in which of the following? A. Pilibhit district, B. Chandauli district, C. Unnao district, D. Maharaj district. B. Chandauli district. Which of the following revolutionary not associated with Kalakori President? A. Rajendra Lahiri, B. Ashfaqullah Khan, C. Khudiram Bose, D. Roshan Singh. C. Khudiram Bose. When did World Health Organization of COVID-19 a pandemic? 11 March 2020, 13 January 2020, 22 February 2020, 21 January 2020. 11 March. In the reign of which Chola king first trade delegation was sent to in China? Rajendra Raja Rai, Vikram Chola, Raja Mahendra, Raja Rai. Match the following D. Consider the following events and arrange these in chronological line. Simon Commission, Cabinet Mission Plan, first meeting of Indian Student Assembly, Quiet India Movement. Select the correct answer. 1, 4, 2, 3. Pattern of Literature. Jahangir awarded the title of Pandit Raj to whom? Munsivar Das, Bhagwati Swami, Raghunath, B. C. Jagannath. दोस्तों चैनल को लाइक सब्सक्राइब शेयर करना मत भूलिएगा दोस्तों। धन्यवाद।